Another quick little box here. There is cars. Leah opened it quickly to check. I have no idea what these ones are. Oh, these are some that I remember buying these now. Fairly good nick, once wheels touching up on it. Oh look, another one of them. Lost count of them now. Put it with the other one. Can't remember what about these. Another Buick Riviera. That one's in a lot better nick than the other one. That's got a few chips on the roof, but that's quite a presentable one, is that? Give that a clean up. What was it yesterday? Supposed to have a roof on it, and the screen snapped off it. I mean, it's pretty much worthless, is that? It's this one. Corgi taxi. Shame it's chipped around there, because it's not in bad nick, is that? This is just a little box, is this? Tom and Jerry. Again, got quite a few of these, but that's quite in good nick, that. And the last one, Matchbox tractor with the wrong tyres on the front of it. That's not in bad nick really, it's still got the steering wheel, a couple of chips on it. That's it for that one, that was a quick one.